Hello.
We're gonna be cooking really simple pancakes. So all we're gonna need is a bowl, just a frying, I don't know what this is called, I forgot, but never mind. Flour and baking soda, a bowl, 1 cup of milk, and mango or berries or fruit to put on top of the pancakes. Well, this is optional. If you want, you can just eat the pancakes with nothing. Or if you want, you can just put syrup. And we'll need a spoon and a fork. Maybe we'll need it, maybe. And we'll need a frying pan frying pan. So let's get started. So we're gonna start with a bowl.
Flour.
Yeah, put flour in a bowl. 1 cup of flour. Milk.
Milk. Half of this first.
Yeah, that for sure. Yep, half of milk. This is how it is.
And mix together.
Yep, just mix it. Mix. Oh, it spilled a bit, but that's okay.
Mix well to make it.
Ugh, it's making dough. Ugh, it got harder. Mix it really well.
And then if it consistent like that, you can add the rest of the milk and mix it together.
Again.
Be careful. First, slowly.
It's already turning into the good liquid. Like we make the pancakes with a lot of it right here. Well, this one is really simple.
That's it. Yeah.
Yep, just mix it. You know I'm hungry for pancakes. You see my face? It's really sad. My mom makes this better than me. Aww, me appetizing already. Me dreaming of appetizing. Oh guys, we forgot the butter. Well, the butter is for the pan actually.
I will show you the texture.
Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be, like a bit gooey and not gooey. I think now we're heading to the pan. Okay, we'll need this and the butter now. Butter is optional, just it helps it with taste and not to stick, right?
Prepare the plate.
Yeah, to put on the pancake.
Our pan is ready. It will be thin and small.
Yeah. You see them? They're just small little white circles on a hot pan. I'll go prepare a plate for the pancakes because this one's to put the stick on or whatever it is. I'll prepare a plate. Here. Wait for the pancakes. So we already got 3 pancakes ready. Actually, the first 4 broke, and we still got 3 ready. It's actually just a simple snack you can eat for breakfast. Comment down below if you like it, okay guys? I know they're really small. They're smaller than I thought, but small is making it cuter. Spin, spin. Spin the pancake, spin the pancake, spin the pancake. Good? Oh, she just tried to pee. She's lucky. No, fair. I want it one. I think one's ready. Oh, I hope they're all... Oh, that's a big one. Actually, I'm going to do it all. Oh, it looks so good. Guys, it's finally to put the mango on. It's finally time for it. Oh, I'll do it with a fork, guys. Oh, 1. Oh. Here. 2 mango. 3 mango. And the rest I'll just pour around. Oh. Now just spread it. Oh, I'll eat the last mango. That's really good. So this is the result of a tasty pancake. Oh, last thing. This is optional. I just wanted a drink. Slice it off. Oh, there is smoke coming off. It smells so good already. I already have the taste of this pancake. Oh, this is hot. Ouch. Get a big piece of meat. They're cold. You know what? This is heaven. This is heaven. It's my mom's turn to try it. Oh, Mama. She is gonna come. Oh, she's coming. I guess she wants to try with a mango. Oh, she does. Okay, you heard her. That was it. Do you like it?
That's cool. Try it.
Like and subscribe.
Yummy.
Oh, she's taking another.